me down and
Hello! So this video is going to be a room tour of the room I just redid. You can click on my other video if you want to see how it was redone. And yeah. Okay, so this chair was an old chair. It doesn't really go with the room, but I think I'm gonna maybe put like a white pillow on it maybe and like a white blanket that could maybe like help it go around with the room. But I think it's from a secondhand store. I don't actually know like where the original buyer is. Then we have the wallpaper. The wallpaper I got from Wayfair.com. It's actually a pretty good deal. Usually it would cost like probably like $150 to wallpaper a wall this size, but it was only like $55 on Wayfair. Then we have this dresser. I don't know where this came from. I think it's pretty old. It's probably from secondhand. I think every piece of furniture in this room is secondhand. It has a plant on it that I also don't know where it's from. We've had it for a really long time. Then we have this bed. So the bed set, the nightstand, and this dresser all came together at a secondhand store. Then the comforter is from Walmart. It was only $20. The two accent pillows are from Goodwill. The pillow that's like in the middle and it's like white, that is a pillow cover that I got from Five Below. The actual pillows inside, I don't know where they're from, but they're just pillows. And then the pillowcases and the pillows behind those are from Walmart. Then on the nightstand, there are some flowers. I got the flowers from Dollar Tree and I just put them in the space we had. Then the little picture frame next to the nightstand, or like on top of the nightstand, not next to it. That was from Goodwill, and then I printed a little picture to go inside. Above the nightstand, there are 3 picture frames. I got the two matching ones, the one on top and the one on bottom. Those were from Family Dollar, and then the one on the middle was from Dollar Tree. Then we have the pictures on the wall. The top one is from Dollar General, the big one with the roses. The second biggest one also with the roses, that's from Goodwill. And then the 4 picture frames, I got them from Dollar Tree and I printed them out. My printer was running out of ink, and that's why those 2 are so pink. They weren't supposed to be like that. It was just running out of ink, but I decided to leave it like that. I think I should probably reprint them because I think it does look like too pink. So there is the dresser. It's really cute actually. The TV on top of it, I think that's probably from Best Buy. Then we have this wall art. So the 2 butterflies on top, I got those from Dollar Tree. They're actually only $1 each. And then the thing with the lace, I made that from supplies from Walmart. So that was a DIY project. Okay, lastly we have this dog bed to match. This was also from Walmart. I'm not sure how much it cost, but I don't think it was a lot. So I hope you enjoyed the room tour. I tried to go for like a pink, floral-y, shabby chic, princessy vibe. So I hope that I accomplished that. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe. I want to do a lot more room tours and like room transformations. I feel like I want that to be a big part of my channel. So hopefully there's a lot more coming. So subscribe if you like those. Okay, that's all I have to say. Goodbye!